The average client that I have, I would say, is an athlete. What they're doing is they're spreading the word. Hey, if you have an issue, you gotta go see this person because he'll fix anything. And I tell them, don't say I'll fix anything, because that's not the case. The greatest thing with MAT that I've experienced so far is that I can control the schedule that I want. I usually hear, I feel lighter, or I feel more centered. Well, the reason why you feel lighter is because you're not working as hard, because things are working more efficiently. Then they're like, I don't feel a thing, and I feel like I can do anything now. So the one muscle I see is gonna be the psoas. We sit in the car, we sit at school, we sit in the office, we sit on the couch, and just the way we are set up in the world causes these issues. Early on, I had a 16-year-old high school 3-guard, and he came in, he couldn't even stand up. He was 6'5", worked on his flexion in the trunk, psoas, and a few of his abs were out. And all of a sudden he stood up, and he goes, well, that feels good to stand up. I said, well, let's see what can happen to, get into the floor. And he goes, I don't know. I said, just try it. He put his hands flat on the ground, straight-legged. This is the one aspect, or the one tool that can bring them all together.